live in a bubble of best we can. World is like a monster, we are food. So we thrive and we share the songs. Like it like this as we are not what we think so. Killing monsters is killing a system we will crash it too. For now we just live or come back if needed. Angels fly, angels sing. God's light sparkles forever, does it ring? Time is a loop and we end time being extensions, as all unreal games shall end so. Run back to your dark, run back to your cavern. We are here, we are coming not to crush you but to heal you. And once we arrive, there is no option. Smilers, beginners, lost and power aways. We will heal you too, brother in the Lord.